Front-end versus back-end coding. So I touched on this in the last video, but front-end coding is made up purely of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These small files are sent to your browser, and your browser then reads them, interprets them, and then displays them for you. And if you right-click on any page and select View Source or Inspect, you can actually see the entire front-end code. It's completely available to you. Next up, we have back-end code. Back-end code is a programming language like Python, PHP, Node.js, Java, something like that. It usually produces some sort of HTML to send to your browser, but the logic behind the scenes is never actually exposed. Whereas with front-end code, that logic can be completely exposed. You honestly don't really need to know too much of the difference right now, because when you get started, the first thing you should learn is just HTML. So you don't have to worry about learning all of it. Just start at the beginning with HTML. Now, backend code is really useful for securely handling passwords, credit card numbers, and other sensitive data, things that you don't want to be present for anyone in the world to see. And backend code usually connects to a database where your data is saved for a period of time. This lets you log into a website like Facebook after, let's say, 6 months. Your login information was saved in a database. That data was processed using a backend programming language, and then all of a sudden you're logged in. There's a little bit more to it, but again, you don't have to be too concerned with that right now.